Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are making pizza. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's move towards the ingredients for the dough first. We have flour, 3 cups, milk powder or dry milk, 3 tablespoons. If you don't have dry milk, you can make the dough with milk itself. Salt 1 teaspoon and sugar 1 teaspoon. Egg 1. Water, which should be lukewarm as required. Oil 4 tablespoons. Yeast 1.5 tablespoon, that is 1.5 tablespoon. Now we're gonna add warm water in the yeast and we're gonna mix it really well so there are no lumps. So when it is mixed, now we're gonna move towards the main recipe. We're gonna add all the dry ingredients in a bowl. So I'm adding flour, dry milk, and salt and sugar, and I'm gonna mix it well with the spoon. So now that I'm done mixing, I'm making this little hole in between so I can add the rest of the ingredients except water in there. So I'm adding oil, egg, and the yeast mixture we made. And then you have to mix it with the spoon. Now that I mixed it with the spoon, I'm gonna do it with the hands because that's more convenient and it helps to make the dough a little more nice. So now we're gonna make the dough with lukewarm water, and it could be sticky, so if it's sticky, so just don't panic. It could be sticky, but when it will rise, it'll be just alright. So make a good dough with lukewarm water using your hands, and it must be soft. It should be really soft. Now that our dough is ready, we are gonna grease it. So we are done greasing. Now we will cover it and we will let it rise from 1 hour to the required time. Now I have some more ingredients: chicken 250 grams, oil, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, oregano powder a quarter teaspoon. Now we will cook the chicken. So I'm taking some oil so I can heat it. Now we will fry ginger garlic paste in it, and soon after that you will be adding your chicken in it and you will fry it too. Now you have to let the chicken fry until it's all white in color, and then you'll be adding a quarter cup of water, just giving it a quick mix. And at this moment I'm also adding my spices and just give it a good mix again and cover it until the chicken is tender. Now that it's done and the water also just evaporated, you can just mix it for another 1 minute and your chicken will be ready. Now let's move towards the topping ingredients, which is the most important thing in my perspective. We are having onions here, all chopped or whatever size you want, you can cut them as your choice. Tomatoes, capsicum. You can add some more vegetables as you like, it's all up to you. And the chicken we prepared, we're also going to use that obviously. And cheese, could be mozzarella, cheddar, or even both. Crushed red chilli, oregano powder, salt, and ketchup or pizza sauce, whatever you like. Here I am greasing the pan I'll be baking my pizza in. So the quantity I made just 6 pizzas out of it. You can make bigger pizzas, but I'm gonna go for mini ones. So I'm just spreading the dough with my hands, not using a rolling pin at all, because it's obviously soft and you can handle it with your hands. Now you could put it in your pan and just define the shapes. If you want your crust to be thick, so you can let it be thick. So when you're done setting it, you're gonna add your pizza sauce or ketchup and you're gonna spread it. So when you're done spreading, you are now gonna add a very small amount of cheese, that is to bind it. Now the whole loads of cheese are gonna go in the end, we're gonna put them obviously, but not now. So a little cheese and a lot of chicken. Now you can add your veggies. You can even add mushrooms or olives, whatever you like. So when we're done with the veggies, now we're gonna sprinkle the spices, each one of the 3. And this is the moment, the best moment. We're gonna add lots of cheese on it. So I'm using this spoon thingy to press it, that is to bind it, so the pizza is actually just compressed. You're gonna bake for 12 to 15 minutes in 190 degrees, and after just taking out, your pizza is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.